We are having our last dinner in Baja at the same place where we had our first meal out in Baja. I think we were supposed to be under there. Yep, we were supposed to be under there somehow. So sorry, Rich.
Sorry, yeah.
In the beginning of 2022, we spent 7 weeks traveling the peninsula of Baja, Mexico. We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
We just got back from a great whale watching tour with
Mel and Marmo.
Echo Tours.
Yeah.
It was fantastic.
It was amazing.
The Gray Whale Tour Guerra Negro is a trip we will remember the rest of our lives. After the boat tour, we continued north and headed to San Felipe for one last night in Baja before crossing the border back into the U.S. Buenos dias. We left Guerra Negro yesterday afternoon with
After
the whale tours,
yeah.
and with kind of an idea of a couple places to stay depending on how we felt driving, and we ended up coming all the way back to San Felipe.
It just seems like that magnetic force just brought us all the way back and getting more and more north.
As we arrived in San Felipe, we decided to dry camp at a spot along the beach. Had a nice walk from the camp where we camped to the Malecon and down to Adriana's for dinner.
Ate this.
Buenas noches.
Buenas tardes.
Is it afternoon or is it evening?
I guess so.
We are having our last dinner in Baja at the same place where we had our first meal out in Baja. Adriana's in San Felipe.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful, beautiful night.
What a beautiful trip it's been. I can't believe it's been 8 weeks, 2 months. Yeah, amazing.
Our last Baja meal. Pescado, Cameron, and Gabonara. Cheers.
Cheers.
So we've been here for
8 weeks.
7.5 weeks? 8 weeks?
8 weeks,
8
right?
weeks.
Yeah, so 8 weeks and it's almost 2 months. It's crazy, yeah, but it has been amazing. I mean, I would have never thought that we would, for one, be down here, you know, just like I said earlier.
For two, be down here this long,
you know, think, okay, a couple weeks. I mean, usually when we do vacations, it's, 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks max, but yeah, to have 8 weeks.
One, it seems like, yes, it's been forever since we've been back to San Felipe. But for two, it doesn't seem like we've been in Baja forever. We've been here for 2 months, and it doesn't seem like a long time, but yet It doesn't seem like enough time, but it seems like we've done a lot, but we haven't seen everything, of course.
We haven't seen everything yet.
So
but it's
definitely looking forward to coming back.
Yes, so we will be back soon.
Our last Baja, Mexico gas fill.
Yes, yeah, it's been pretty easy. It's you pull up, much like a lot of the a couple other states in the States. They actually, you can't fill yourself. They fill for you. They most of the time will clean your windshield too.
And then we give them a little tip because they usually clean the windshield quite well.
Very well, better than I can.
Buenos dias, Magna and full. Price today is 20.79 pesos per liter. Yes, so still comes out to be like a little more than $4 a gallon. Most of the time, you'll have a choice between Magna and Premium. Green doesn't mean it's diesel. Diesel is usually a whole separate pump, and it's still, but not associated with the gas.
The station, the diesel is over there across the way. Tires for the bumps.
Buenos dias. Where did you go? We're coming from San Felipe to Calixto. Okay, gracias.
Easy peasy.
Where do you go?
Made it into Mexicali. Getting ready to cross the border. Mexicali 1, Mexicali West. And gonna check out the Century line and see if it's shorter as they say it is.
Train's supposed to be a lot quicker. It's if you have global entry or Nexus, and you fill out the extra paperwork where you include the license plate number for the vehicle you're in, add that to your global entry account. It brings it over to Century, and supposedly it's like maybe 1/4 of the time is the normal lanes. So it should be interesting to see if that holds true. And
Left and then a right, yes. So right after this guy, because we came down there where it says karate. Right turn, right turn.
right. Now let's go to the left.
Yep, that's what my map says. I don't know what, I think we were supposed to be under there. Yep, we were supposed to be under there somehow. So left turn here, Alto. It even said Calixico. Did we miss something somewhere? Past something else? I can't really see. Looks clear. Looks clear. Okay. So now we're going to go back over this and then go right and down into a thing. We want to be underneath that bridge. Stop sign. And now over the bridge and where that bike is, you're going to go right.
Right?
Yes.
Sure.
That's what Google Maps says. And I see where we need to be and I see the road. So yes. I'm just not sure where we missed a sign. Sorry, Rich. If you think you can do it, or you can go through this guy over here in the dirt, whatever. I see the Century line. You would think that would be on Google Maps. Or go right turn. So if I would have taken the alternate route, that would have been right on this road. So we'll have to remember that next time. I almost did that, but I was like, oh. And then it took the alternate route away and I forgot to click on it. Okay, straight. And Century is to the right.
Okay, and then Century. What's the difference? They're both the same real quick.
Yep.
Hola. Good, how are you today? Yeah, just
See.
the two of us. Yes.
Yeah, the next time if you want, you can keep that one at home if you want.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Okay.
This one is so you can fly.
Okay.
And this one,
Okay. Thank you so much.
you have a wonderful day.
You too,
Gracias.
sir.
You're gonna hold on to both of those?
Yeah.
Green. And now we're in English. I forgot to put that on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Great. Thank you.
How many people are in the car?
Just the two of us.
Nobody else?
Nope.
Nope.
No, sir.
What are you doing down in Mexico?
Vacation. 2
Vacation?
months. Yeah.
Is the back on?
To the back if you want to.
Okay.
All set. Thank you. Have a good day.
Now what?
I don't know. Just go straight to the 111.
So that worked out very well.
So Century took us all of 2 minutes.
Yeah. If that. Yeah. Robin, guess what?
What?
We are back in the USA.
Woo!
Yeah, baby.
Made it over the border in like less than 2 minutes.
It was crazy fast.
With our
There's
Century Pass.
pretty long line for the normal, so having global entry and doing the extra document for Century really super paid off. So easy. All they didn't even have to show your passport, just show the global entry cards, and then they scan them. You want to just look inside the van. You said you're all good, and boom, we're out.
We're back in Cali.
Yep, buddy. So now that we're over the border, I can confidently say, without jinxing ourselves, Robin, that we spent 2 months in Mexico and not one bad incident.
Nope.
I mean, not one
Not
bad
one.
incident. You think there would be, okay, somebody, that was trying to harass us, or somebody, trying to rob us or rip us off at a gas station, or not, or be harassed by the police, or anything. There was zero. It was amazing, to be able to have such a positive experience for that long time here out.
Everybody was more than gracious. Everybody helped us and was accommodating and patient with our lack of Spanish.
Great experience. I was just so happy.
California welcomed us back with some winter weather. As we drove through the desert, the heavy winds started and then the rain came. These 7 weeks in Baja have been the most wonderful experience that we never expected.
Yeah, it's been a great adventure.